Today I'm going to show you how to easily share files in Slack. Ladies and gentlemen, I've come over here to my marketing team channel. What I want to do is I want to share some files over here. Now, of course, you can paste in a link. So let's say you have a link to Google Drive and you want to paste that in there, you can do that. But if you want to share files directly from your device, go ahead, click on this plus icon over here or double click and it'll absolutely open your files on your computer. Go down over here and the first thing you can do is see over here it says recent file. Now these are some files that you've recently worked on. Okay, so you can go ahead and actually click in any one of those. It'll actually give you the option to change the permissions. And then you can just say send and it'll actually share that. Now, if you want to share a file from your computer, go ahead and click on upload from your computer. I've got a photograph over here. You'll see that over there. It'll load. Give it a second. You can also add in a message. So you can just say, see here, this image. All right, that's uploaded and go ahead and click on send. There is the image. You've now shared this image.